Here I will demonstrate how you can create a sales page to sell spaces at your market, such as flea market, car boot sale, festival, fun fair, or any other event. You could even specify the exact spaces your vendors can book based on space numbering. And also the specific dates, weekends or months they wish to book. To start, once you have signed up as an organizer on stallpal.com, go to your organizer dashboard, as shown here. Then, go to New, and select Event. Next, let's enter the name of the event. And the description. Here, we should include the payment instructions. Don't forget to set the category. And also, add a main photo. We could also add more photos under the gallery section. Now comes the important part. Here, we need to specify the details of the spaces we are renting out. There are two options. One is to sell spaces without numbering, and the other is with numbering, where each booth is designated a unique ID. Let's choose the one with numbering. Next, go to the Space Numbering tab to create the numbers for all the spaces. Here's the floor plan for my event, showing the center court area. I have stalls marked with number 401 to 454. Now, I shall enter the name of the area as center court. And under this box, we need to list down all the space numbers. Each number should be separated with a pipe delimiter. We can easily create this list by using Google Sheets. Just add the first and second number on this column. Then, select both numbers. And drag the bottom right corner of this cell down. Voila! Our incremental list of numbers are generated automatically. Let's drag this until we reach 454. Once we are done, copy this list of numbers. And then, go to the website, delimit.co. Here, we shall paste the numbers and convert them to a list with the pipe delimiter. Awesome! Now we can select all the entire list and copy them. Next is we paste the list here. Make sure the end of the line is correct. Let's save these booth numbers. Excellent. We also should upload the floor plan image. This is important so that vendors know where their booths are located. Next, we shall create the dates when people can book these booths. Let's name it Dates Available. And here we shall add the list of dates for Saturdays and Sundays for January 2024. An easy way to generate this list is by using ChatGPT. Go to chat.openai.com and enter this message to ask ChatGPT to generate the list for you. Cool. Now copy the list. And paste it here. And hit save. After this, we need to go to the next tab to create the unique variations for each booth. Since we have 54 booths and each is available each weekend, we need to create 220 unique booths. That's 54 booths multiplied by 4 weekends. Hit on the Generate Variations button. It can only generate up to 50 booths at once. Awesome! The booths magically appear. Since we have more than 50 booths, let's generate again. And again. And again. And finally, it's done. Here's where we include the details for each booth. Each space can be priced individually or priced the same. We can also set a discounted price, space availability, dimension of the space, description, and more. Let's set the same price for all the booths. Here's a shortcut. Under the Bulk Actions button, select the Set Regular Prices option. Now all the spaces have the same price. Cool. Next, we need to specify the quantity for each booth, since each unique booth can only be booked once for each weekend. First, we shall enable Manage Units option. Then, we shall enter the unit available. That's it. Let's not forget to upload a unique photo for the booth. Finally, we should add a short description. and also the address of our event shown on Google Maps. Once we are ready, hit the publish button. And we're all set. Here's the sales page of our event. Here's the short description, the space numbering, the available dates, the photos and floor plan. That's all. Good luck in selling your spaces.